Irrigation piping can be somewhat of a tedious task, but let us show you how to use some of these piping tools more efficiently. Drawing pipe consists of lateral and mainline pipe. Why don't we show you a few things that might make piping a little easier. After we're done placing all of our heads and zoning things, the plan is getting a little bit messy. It's going to be somewhat hard to pipe through all of these lines. Once you click on the laterals button, you'll see the coverage area will disappear, cleaning up the layers for you so that you can pipe to all these heads. You will notice in the command line there are a few different options that we have. We can select our snap angle. For instance, if we have these heads running along a building, you can press S and click on the building line. You will notice that it is snapped to that angle. It makes it easy to connect your heads parallel to the building. If we're connecting our heads and we want our zone layer to be turned on or off so that we can see our heads a little more clear, press Z. You can toggle this zone layer on and off so that you can pipe and make sure that you still fit within the area. The next lateral piping tool that will save you tons of time is our Head AutoSnap tool. When this is enabled, this will allow you to hover over a head without clicking on it, and it will automatically snap to it. Press H and drag across the heads. Another great little feature that we have was a suggestion by Eric Stanley. As you click onto a head, you'll notice the flow appears down at the bottom in the command line. As you continue to click on each head, the flow will be tallied, letting you see quickly what your flow is that you're putting onto one specific zone. Another great little lifesaver is our undo tool. As you continue to pipe, you will notice that an undo command shows up. Just simply press U and it will unhook from the last head, letting you continue on where you really need to pipe. Trying to find the best route to pipe your mainline when everything else is placed can prove difficult sometimes. Let me show you two great tools to help with this issue. First is our non-plot mainline pipe layer that is automatically created and set to active when you place your POC. This allows you to draw a line where you think you want the mainline to run, kind of like if you were in the field, lining it out with chalk or paint. Second is once you're ready to pipe, use the mainline pipe button, press T to toggle the rest of the irrigation off, allowing you to see clearly the path of the mainline. Once you're done, you can right click or hit enter and everything else will be toggled back on. This has been another power tip brought to you from your friends at LandFX.